Robinhood has just released their new feature on their Robinhood app, and it is the Dividend Tracker. In today's video, we're going to break down a little bit more about what Robinhood just announced on Twitter or X yesterday at the time of recording this video, what it looks like, how it works, and let me tell you, I am excited. So if you're excited for today's video, just like I am, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, turn on those bell notifications as per usual for all future uploads. Now, Robinhood, as you will see, posted this yesterday, August 10th, at the time of recording this. Today's the 11th. You asked for it at Hood Summit. Now it's here. And Hood Summit is what I was really fortunate enough to get to go to, which was an amazing experience. If you do ever get invited to a Robinhood experience like this, and you have the ability to do so, do it. I got invited to the one down in Houston. That's going to be happening in September. I cannot be doing that. It's the middle of the school year. It's a 2-day event. It's just not going to work out logistically for me. But if you have a chance to do it, I suggest you do it. But your new dividend tracker shows you payouts you've collected, what's coming next, and your monthly and annual projections. As a math person and a data and statistics person, I love this. Broken down by the symbol or account type, no separate app or subscription. It's all on Robinhood. And again, if you take a look, you can see here is what it looks like. And again, it is only in the app. You cannot do it on the actual brokerage yet. I will show you that it doesn't work, but it does in fact work on the Robinhood app. So here it is showing you an example of dividend payouts. You can hit view dividends. They also let you get paid out dividends early. And here's the projected payouts, the projections of the stocks, all that kind of stuff is there for you. That is exciting. Take a little bit more into the white page aspect of the dividends here. We automatically process your dividends. Cash dividends are accredited as cash to your brokerage account, blah, blah, blah. To view your received early and projected dividends, which again is based off of this post from Robinhood. If you have multiple accounts with us, select the account you want to view dividends for, such as an individual or a Roth IRA at the very, very top. And again, you cannot do this on the web browser. You can only do it on the app right now. So keep that in mind. Enter Dividend Tracker into the search, magnifying glass at the bottom tool to view the following. And again, here's my portfolio as an example here. If you type in, Dividend Tracker, you see it pops up here, but when you click on it, watch what happens. It says, hey, download the app and make sure you have the app there for you. So it is there. It is you can't do it on the web browser. You got to do it on the mobile app instead. But all you do is type in the search bar on the mobile app, hey, Dividend Tracker, and it pops up for you. Okay. Actual shows you the total amount of net dividends you've received year to date, which is calculated based on dividends received from holdings minus dividends paid on short positions. The bar chart view for the year selected at the top. And you can do this. I went on the app already. You can do this and look at 2026. You can look at 2025. Mine goes all the way back to when I first started investing in Robinhood back in 2020. It has all of that data, which I think is very, very cool. So the bar chart view for the year selected at the top shows dividends paid in green and projected dividends in gray. Again, I like the projected dividends. Just like I like to see when I go into my account here and I switch over to my managed one, I can look and see essentially what the future projections are going to be looking like. I can look at the data. I can look at all that really, really cool stuff that we have going on here. I don't feel like going through all of it right now. I did videos about this though. I think, let me see if I click on this maybe. Oh, here we go. Future. There we go. So you can click on future, for example, and it can show you the projections about where you're going to be. Like this right now. Oh my God, I'm going to be a millionaire. It's pretty cool, actually, I will say. But it gives you those future projections. I love that kind of thing because it lets me know what the future looks like, not the current moment in time, right? Thinking forward, not thinking present time. And the dividends do the same thing when you have projected dividends in gray. And again, projected dividends is the total amount projected that you'll receive this year based on current holdings. Okay, you can select past years, as you see as well. Yielding position shows your current and previous holdings you've received dividends from. So you can pick the stock that you've gotten paid out dividends from. For example, I had MSTY for a while and got some really good dividends, but lost a lot of value in the stock appreciation itself. But you can look at past positions that you had dividends for. You look at current positions that you've had as well, which again, I think is very, very cool. I am all about data. And the fact that it's all in the same app download another app is great. I don't know about you guys, but I was a dividend investor a long time ago, back when I first started investing, and I was like, wait, I'm super young. I don't need dividends right now. That's going to be more of a longer term, 40, 50 years when I'm that old, at least. When I'm 50 years old, I'm looking at dividends, income, all that kind of stuff. But when you're looking at, dividend trackers, you have to go to a third-party website. You got to log in. You got to remember to log in. There's a free version. You got to have a paid version. Like, this is a good start. And it doesn't have everything that you're looking for, probably, but it's a great starting point. I'm sure with feedback, they can give more and more and update more and more for us, I'm hoping, over the years. In yielding positions, select a position to view more details about either current holdings or dividends from previous holdings. It'll show you received amount year to date, annual yield for stocks, or 30-day SEC yield for ETFs. You're thinking about more of, for an example, like your TLT bonds and everything you get. That was like a 30-day SEC yield there that you'll see there. Annual projected amount, dividend per share amount, ex-dividend date, pay date, all that kind of stuff is all there for you. And again, here is a nice screenshot. The animation on Twitter was so much nicer. But again, you can see everything here for you. How much is paid early. Here's your previous calendar years that you'll see there. Your projection you're going to be getting based off of it. All that stuff is very, very cool. And my phone is charging because I would have gone into my managed accounts. My managed account does have investments in dividend stocks, which I could have, looked at and saw, but I don't have it on me. I am charging it somewhere else. Anyways, if you have dividends that are scheduled but haven't been paid yet, they'll show as pending. Note that your dividend may be delayed if the issuer payment is delayed. And again, one of the big things that they dropped on this Robinhood Summit event was that you can get paid early. Like, why is there such a long window between the ex-dividend date and the actual pay period, right? And Robinhood is trying to push that out to bring more of those income investors to their platform. And that's great. I don't know what other trading softwares have dividend trackers like this, but let me tell you, this is going to be a game changer for a lot of those dividend investors. You can see up top here, it's really easy to do. If you have different accounts, you can just go to the drop down here and change it to whatever it is you want. It's very clean. It's very simple. The numbers are great. I mean, this is just right up my wheelhouse. I'm not a dividend investor, like a huge one yet, but in the future I would like to be. So that'd be very, very cool to see as we go. But again, they broke the news saying, hey, we're going to pay you guys earlier than everybody else is. And now we have a tracker that goes with it as well. If you have dividends that are unscheduled, I'll read that part. You'll find the scheduled date and amount listed next to the stock symbols. Recently paid dividends are listed just below pending dividends. Dividends that are paid in foreign currency won't show as pending. Here's your early dividends. If eligible, you can receive certain dividend payments before the issuer's announced payment date. Securities held in retirement accounts are not eligible for early dividends. I wonder why, actually. That's really interesting. But, I mean, hey, it is what it is. You can view what stocks are eligible for early payment using this link right here, which you really want to, you can. But again, it's really, really cool that you get that income earlier. What's the good thing about that is, again, you get your dividend earlier, you can reinvest it earlier, you can take it out if you want to pay a bill earlier, whatever the case is. It allows you to get that money faster, and that's what people want to see. And now wait 30 days or however long it is. They cut it, I think, about like 2 weeks earlier than what a lot of people usually pay it out with. So it's really, really cool. Early dividends only affect the timing of when eligible funds are credited to your account and do not increase. Okay. Reverse dividends. I don't even want to know what that is, honestly. Eligibility. Okay, talk about that. Dividends on short positions. Reverse dividends. Okay, sure. And that is about it. But how cool is that? This right here looks so clean, so simple. But yet, you can sit there and you can track how much you're getting paid in dividends, your projections. And again, maybe in the future, they add things like a calendar. Like, hey, you can pick the calendar in July, for example, and see when those dividend payments come in. Maybe they do that. I don't really know. Maybe they could factor in, how you get your dividend increase. A lot of companies who like to invest in dividend companies that increase their dividends, like pay raises, essentially. Maybe that's something that we could be looking at doing in the future. This is just the very, very beginning. And again, there's so many people who love investing in dividend stocks, especially the ones who are looking at retiring in the next 5-10 years. They want the income. They like it. It's a lot less risky. This right here, having all in one, allows the investor to know what's coming in, how to allocate it, all that kind of stuff, and the graph looks great. And that's what's awesome about it. Again, Robinhood continues to push things out. And this was like a soft launch, I feel like. I don't know how many people actually were like following this or not, but Man, oh man, this is awesome. But that is it for today's video. So Robinhood has recently just dropped their Dividend Tracker. It's a game changer, I think, for dividend investors because you can look at your data, track it, see what you're looking at, your projections, all that stuff. It's amazing. Thank you so much for watching. If you did make this part of the video, as always, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, turn on those bell notifications as per usual. I hope you're making money in the market in some way, shape, or form, whether it's through trading or investing or dividend stocks, as you'll see here. And as always, I will catch you guys in the next video.